Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is fifth session and today is Thursday, 20th of February 2025. Today we are going to have country and focus in Andorra. Last Monday, which country that have you learned with Miss Velia? Which country that have you learned? Yeah?
Maldives.
Oh, Maldives.
Maldives.
Okay, now Munif, we will learn about Andorra. Are you ready? Are you ready, Munif?
Yes.
Okay, bismillah. Okay, before we focus in Andorra, this is di sini have a list of country. As usual, Munif can read after okay from the Andorra. Okay, Andorra.
Andorra.
Andorra,
Andorra.
Kingdom of Bahrain.
Kingdom of Bahrain.
Kerajaan Bahrain.
Kerajaan Bahrain.
Australia.
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 Barbados.
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 Berikut, Belize.
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 Okay. Guinea.
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 Okay. Egypt.
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 Mesir.
Mesir.
Next is Ghana. Ghana.
Ghana.
Okay. Next is Honduras.
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 And the last is India.
India.
From this list, what
Mhm.
country do you already know?
Country. Andorra.
Honduras.
Kingdom of Bahrain. Australia. Apa ya?
What country do you already know?
Australia, Egypt,
Yep.
Ghana, and
India? Do you know India?
yes.
Okay. Have you ever been in India?
Nope.
No. Forget ya. Okay, now it's your turn to read only the English from Andorra.
Andorra.
Okay, Andorra, good.
Kingdom of Bahrain.
Bahrain.
Australia.
Oh yeah, good.
Barbados.
Barbados.
Belize.
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 Okay,
Guinea.
good.
Egypt.
Egypt.
And Ghana.
Ghana. Next.
Honduras.
That's good. And the last.
India.
Okay. What's the meaning of Egypt in Indonesia?
Mesir.
Yeah. How about Kingdom of Bahrain?
Kerajaan Bahrain.
Okay, good ya. Do you have any question?
No.
Not?
No.
Okay, kan next ya. Okay, now it's time to focus in Andorra. Before we focus in Andorra, we will read vocabulary first. Okay?
Okay.
You can follow me ya.
Okay. Country.
Negara.
Negara.
Oh, wait. Capital city.
Capital city.
Ibu kota.
Ibu kota.
Wait ya Munif. Wait a second. Okay Munif, sorry. Had trouble. Okay, we can continue ya.
Yes.
Next is mountain.
Mountain.
Gunung.
Gunung.
Tourism.
Tourism.
Pariwisata.
Wisata.
Next is banking.
Banking.
Perbankan.
Perbankan.
Shopping.
Shopping.
Belanja. Shopping.
Shopping.
Belanja.
Belanja.
Next is visitor.
Visitor.
Pengunjung.
Pengunjung.
Next is job.
Job.
Pekerjaan.
Pekerjaan.
Next is hotel.
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 Next is restaurant.
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 Next is store.
Store.
Toko.
Toko.
Next is business.
Business.
Business. Business.
Business.
Okay.
Business.
Now it's your turn to learn to read your only the English. Now.
Country.
3.
Capital city.
Capital city.
Mountain.
Okay, good.
Tourism.
Tourism. Okay.
Banking.
Yeah. I can hear.
Banking.
Okay, next.
Shopping.
Okay. Next.
Visitor. Job.
Yeah, okay, good.
Hotel.
Hotel.
Restaurant. Store. Business.
Okay, how do we say perbankan in English?
Banking.
How do we say pekerjaan in English?
Job.
How about what's the meaning of tourism?
Pariwisata.
Okay, and the last, what's the meaning of capital city?
Capital city, ibu kota.
Okay. Now let's move on to adjective. Now Munif can read by yours only the English. Now,
Small,
okay, good.
high,
High,
famous,
okay.
Popular,
Popular, good.
crowd,
Crowded,
crowded,
good.
rich,
Rich, okay.
beautiful,
Beautiful, okay. Good.
cold,
Good, okay. Next,
busy,
busy, easy.
busy,
Can you repeat?
busy,
And the last,
busy,
busy.
busy,
Yeah, good. And the last,
cheap,
cheap, okay. Jenny want to ask, what's the meaning of popular?
popular, popular,
Okay, what's the meaning of crowded?
crowded, 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 ramai,
How do we say murah in English?
cheap,
Cheap. Okay, how do we say dingin in English?
cold,
Cold. Okay. Now let's move on to verb. Nip can read by yours. Okay. Wait. Nggak bisa.
live,
Live.
live,
Ya, good.
depend,
Depend.
come,
Good. Next.
create,
Create.
create,
Next. Earn.
earn,
Okay.
work,
Work. Okay, good.
visit,
Visit.
shop,
Shop.
grow,
Go. The rest.
build,
Build. Okay, good. How how do we say bergantung in English?
bergantung, berarti depend,
And okay, how do we say menciptakan in English?
menciptakan, create,
What's the meaning of build?
membangun,
Okay, and the last, what's the meaning of earn?
menghasilkan,
Menghasilkan. Okay. Now focus to Andorra, a small country in Europe. Or in Indonesia, Andorra, kota kecil yang berada di Eropa. Andorra is a small country in Europe. Andorra adalah negara kecil di Eropa. It is between France and Spain in the Pyrenees Mountains. Dia berada di antara negara Prancis
Prancis
dan Spanyol
dan juga Spanyol.
dan letak di Gunung Pyrenees. Andorra is one of the smallest country in the world. Andorra adalah salah satu negara terkecil di dunia with an area of 40 468 square kilometers dengan area yang berukuran 468 kilometer persegi. About 80,000 people live there. Kurang lebih ada 80.000 orang tinggal di sana. The capital city is Andorra la Vella. Ibu kota Andorra adalah Andorra la Vella. It is the highest capital in Europe. Merupakan ibu kota terbesar di
Ibu kota tertinggi kan?
Ya, tertinggi di Eropa. Berada at 123 meters above sea level. Berada di ketinggian 1023 meter di bawah. Wait ya, Munef.
Yes.
Sorry. Okay, now it's time to Munef to read. Andorra, a small country in Europe.
A small country in Europe. Andorra is a small country in Europe. It's between France and Spain. In the Pyrenees Mountains, Andorra is one of the small countries in the world, with an area of 468 square kilometers, about 80,000 people live there. The capital city is Andorra la Vella, the highest capital city in Europe, at 1,023 meters above the sea level.
Okay, good. Next is population and economy. Andorra has about 80,000 people, mostly in Andorra la Vella. The economy depends on tourism, banking, and shopping. Andorra memiliki kurang lebih 80.000 orang. Rata-rata tinggal di Andorra la Vella. Ekonominya bergantung oleh pariwisata, perbankan, dan belanja. Many visitors come for skiing during winter and duty-free shopping, creating jobs in hotel, restaurant, and store. Banyak pengunjung datang untuk bermain ski selama winter, selama musim dingin, dan berbelanja gratis pajak. Creating jobs in hotel itu berarti memiliki pekerjaan ya di hotel, di restoran, dan di toko. People earn money by working in tourism, banking, and small business. Can you translate this? People earn money by working in tourism, banking, and small business.
Orang menerima uang dari bekerja pariwisata perbankan dan bisnis kecil.
Ya, orang-orang menghasilkan uang dari bekerja di pariwisata, perbankan, dan di bisnis kecil. Okay, did you get it? Do you have any question about Andorra?
No.
No, okay, now time to fill in the conversation. Wait. A is what is the capital city of Andorra? Ini udah dijawab ya. What is the capital city of Andorra?
Andorra La Vella.
La Vella. Okay. Where is Andorra located?
Andorra located between France and Europe. France and Spain.
Spain. Andorra is located between France and Spain. Okay. Who visit the Andorra?
Tourist.
Ya, turis or visitor ya. Or
Yes.
visitor. What's the meaning of visitors?
Visitor itu adalah pengunjung.
Okay, good. When do visitors come for skiing?
In winter?
Yeah,
During winter.
Yeah, during winter. Visitors comes to Andorra during winter. Do you know skiing?
Winter musim dingin.
Do you know skiing? Playing skiing?
Nggak pernah main, tapi aku sering dengar.
Dengar ya, skiing itu kayak main ski. Biasanya ada di negara-negara yang ada musim dinginnya. Okay, why do many visitors come to Andorra?
For skiing.
Yeah. For skiing ya.
Yes.
Many visitors comes to Andorra because for skiing. Apa ini? Andorra for skiing. What else? Ada lagi kayaknya. Nih. For shopping. Skiing. Shopping. And creating jobs. Membuat pekerjaan. Okay, last question. How do people in Andorra earn money?
People earn money by working, tourists, banking, and small business.
Okay, people in Andorra earn money by working in tourism, banking, and small business. Okay. Get it ya? The capital city of Andorra is Andorra.
La Vella.
Okay. Andorra. Where is Andorra located?
Andorra located between France and Spain.
Okay. Berarti Andorra berada di antara negara Prancis dan negara
Spanyol.
Okay. Who visit di Andorra? Tourists and visitors or visitors. Okay. Do you have any question?
No.
No? Okay, dicet-dicet ya.
Yes.
Okay, next. Next is culture and landmarks of Andorra. Do you know about the landmarks? Is
Kayak monumen.
okay. What's landmark of Indonesia?
Monas.
Okay, Monas. Good. Okay, today we'll learn about culture and landmarks of Andorra. Before that, as usual, let's read the vocabulary first. You can follow me ya. Culture,
Yes. Culture.
budaya,
Kayak
tradition,
tradition.
tradisi,
Tradisi.
festival,
Festival.
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 Next is cuisine,
Cuisine.
masakan.
Masakan.
Next is dish,
Dish.
hidangan.
Hidangan.
Landmark,
Landmark.
monumen,
Monumen.
church,
Church.
gereja.
Gereja.
Next is parliament,
Parliament.
parlemen.
Parlemen.
Next is resort,
Resort.
tempat wisata.
Tempat wisata.
Ada next is stew,
Stew.
semur.
Sumur. Semur.
Semur bukan sumur ya, semur.
Semur.
And next is heritage,
Heritage.
warisan.
Warisan.
And the last is scenery, scenery,
Scenery.
pemandangan. Pemandangan. Okay, let's move on to adjective. Let's go. Famous,
Famous.
terkenal.
Terkenal.
Colorful,
Colorful.
warna-warni.
Warna-warni.
Historic,
Historic.
bersejarah.
Bersejarah.
Next is famous. Udah ya, terkenal ya. Next. Okay, breathtaking.
Breathtaking. Breathtaking.
Menakjubkan.
Menakjubkan.
Next, delicious.
Delicious.
Lezat. Lezat.
Lezat.
Okay, let's move on to verb. Now, visit.
Visit.
Mengunjungi.
Mengunjungi.
Speak.
Speak.
Berbicara.
Berbicara.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Menikmati.
Menikmati.
Celebrate.
Celebrate.
Merayakan.
Merayakan.
And the last is offer.
Offer.
Menawarkan.
Menawarkan.
Okay, Miss Jenny, I want to ask, how do we say menawarkan in English?
Menawarkan. Offer.
Okay, what's the meaning of celebrate?
Celebrate.
Ya,
Merayakan.
how do we say masakan in English?
Hmm, apa? Dish? Bukan dish.
Cuisine.
Cuisine.
Okay. Last. How do we say berwarna-warni in English?
Colorful.
Colorful. Okay, good. Now it's time to read culture and landmarks of Andorra. And the meaning is budaya dan
Monumen.
ya landmarks ya. Ada S-nya berarti monumen-monumen di Andorra. Andorra's culture is influenced by Catalan, Spanish, and French tradition. Culture apa budaya Andorra berpengaruh dari Katalan, Spanyol, dan Prancis tradisi. The official language is Catalan. Bahasa resminya adalah Catalan. But many people also speak Spanish and French. Do you know the meaning is? But many people also speak Spanish and French. Tetapi
Kenapa
banyak orang
orang berbicara dengan bahasa Spanyol dan Prancis.
ya, tapi banyak orang yang berbicara dengan bahasa Spanyol dan bahasa Prancis. Okay, the country celebrates Carnival. Negara ini celebrates merayakan Carnival with color and parades. Colorful parades dengan parade yang berwarna-warni. And San Jordi's Day dan Hari San Jordi. San Jordi itu merupakan tokoh terkenal yang ada di negara Andorra. When Sandra Jordi's Day, when people exchange book and roses, di mana semua orang exchange, bertukar buku dan bunga mawar di negara Andorra merayakan karnival dengan parade berwarna-warni dan Hari San Jordi. Di mana di Hari San Jordi itu orang Andorra bertukar buku dan bertukar bunga roses, bunga mawar. Okay, the most important holiday is Maritime Day. Maritime Day on 8th of September. Liburan yang paling penting adalah di kota Andorra adalah Maritime Day di tanggal 8 September, honoring Our Lady of Maritime, Andorra's patron saint. Untuk menghormati Lady of Maritime, Andorra's patron saint. Jadi kayak orang yang dihormati di negara Andorra. Next, Andorra cuisine is a mix of Catalan, French, and Spanish flavors. Masakan Andorra adalah campuran dari Catalan, Prancis, dan Spanyol.
Cabbage.
Ya. Popular dishes include tringset. Tringset itu biasanya ada cabbage, potatoes, and bacon. What's the meaning of cabbage?
Kol.
Okay. Potatoes. Kentang and bacon. Do you know bacon? Yes.
Daging bacon itu loh.
Iya, bacon itu daging babi. And they have cannelons. Cannelons is pasta rolls with meat. Pasta yang digulung oleh daging ya. Terus in winter, Di musim dingin, people enjoy escudella. Di musim dingin, orang-orang menikmati escudella, a warm meat and vegetable stew. Escudella itu daging yang hangat dan semur sayur. Sayur apa semur, daging hangat dan sayuran. Harusnya gitu.
Ah, semur itu daging hangat.
Bukan stew. Stew itu kan semur. Warm meat and vegetable stew berarti semur daging hangat dan sayuran. Semur yang isinya daging hangat.
Emangnya semur itu apa ya?
Ya,
Semur itu apa?
nggak tahu. Did you know about semur?
No.
No. Semur is
Ya.
like rendang. In Indonesia we have rendang.
Daging.
Do you know rendang?
Yes, makanan terenak di dunia.
Yeah, betul. It's true. And the Andorra, they have a warm meat and vegetable called escudella. And Indonesia have rendang, but in Andorra they have escudella. Escudella itu isinya ada daging dan sayuran. Mirip-mirip seperti
Yes.
rendang, but rendang there's no vegetable ya, only the meat, only the daging doang ya. Kalau di Andorra itu dicampur oleh sayuran. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, next. Andorra is home to many historic and natural landmarks. Andorra adalah rumahnya dari banyaknya sejarah dan monumen natural, monumen yang natural. St. John the Castles is an 11th century Roman church. St. John the Castles, ya, merupakan gereja Roman yang didirikan di abad ke-11. And they have Casa de la Val, is a historic stone house that was out of Parliament building. Casa de la Val itu adalah rumah batu yang dulu menjadi tempat parlemen. Do you know parlemen?
Apa tuh?
Parlemen itu kayak gedung pemerintahan. It's like this.
Oh,
Ya, jadi di Andorra itu ada San John the Castles. Castles itu merupakan eh, gereja. Terus ada juga Casa de la Val, gedung pemerintahan. Jadi di Andorra ada dua ya. Do you know about the landmarks of Morowali?
Morowali,
Iya,
Taman Kota.
oh, Taman Kota. What
Ya,
else? There are more landmark or just one? Or
one.
only one? Okay. The country next ya, the country is also famous for Grand Valira, one of Europe's largest ski resort. Di Andorra juga ada Grand Valira yang terkenal. Grand Valira itu adalah tempat wisata ski terbesar di Eropa. Jadi makanya banyak orang yang datang, turis atau visitor datang ke sana untuk bermain ski karena ada Grand Valira, tempat ski terbesar di Eropa. Did you get it? Before I next for the last
Yes.
paragraph. Okay, next they have for nature lover Madriu Peravita Clarer Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers breathtaking view and hiking trails. Madriu Peravita Clarer Valley itu kayak gunung kayaknya deh. jadi dia gunung yang nyediain pemandangan breathtaking yang menakjubkan dan ada ininya, jalan untuk menanjaknya. Have you ever hiking before? Menanjak gunung?
No.
No ya. But have you ever in mountains? Come to mountains for holiday?
Gunung.
Iya. Pernah kah liburan ke
Gunung.
gunung?
Kunjung. Aduh,
Not yet.
aku hanya pernah ke Candi Borobudur.
Oh, Candi Borobudur ya. Ya, Candi Borobudur is one of landmarks in Indonesia and landmark of Yogyakarta ya.
Ya, Jogja.
Yeah, and Magelang. Okay. And another special landmark is Santuario de Maricel. Ini ada lagi landmark yang terkenal. Itu adalah Santuario de Maricel, a modern church dedicated to Andorra's patron saint. Santuario de Maricel itu gereja juga, tapi gerejanya modern. And the last, Andorra's rich culture, delicious food, and beautiful scenery make it great place to visit. Andorra memiliki budaya yang kaya, makanan yang enak, dan pemandangan yang indah. Membuat itu adalah tempat bagus untuk dikunjungi. Okay, so landmark in Andorra, there are San John de Castells, and then Casa de la Val ya,
Yes.
Madrio Peravita Clairvalley, and Santiorio Maricel. It's hard to pronounce it. Okay, can you mention it? The landmarks of Andorra. The first one is San
San apa ya? San Rafael.
Wait,
No.
I will. Don the Castles is the
Oh,
church. Is the church. Itu adalah gereja. And Casa
Casa de la Val.
next is Madrio Peravita Clare Valley.
Madrio Peravita Clever Valley.
The last is Santuario de Maricel.
Santuario de Maricel.
Okay, in Andorra, there are 4 landmarks. There are San John de Castells, Casa de la Val, Madrio Peravita Clare Valley, and the last Santuario de Maricel. Get it? Now it's time to fill the conversation. Okay, what is the official language of Andorra?
Apa ya?
The official language. You can read first. This. The Can you find it?
Oh. Katalan.
Yeah. So, the official language of Andorra is
Katalan.
But many people also speak
Spain and France.
Okay. Where is San John the Castle is located? Sorry. Where is San John the Castle is located?
Sanjo.
San John the Castle nih. First ya, in Andorra,
Andorra.
ya kan?
Yes.
In Andorra. Because San John the Castle is one of landmark in Andorra, so of course, when people asking where is San John the Castle located in Andorra. Okay, it's a little bit complicated ya for this material. Okay, next is who celebrate San Jordi's in Andorra?
Apa ya?
Siapa yang merayakan San Jordi's in Andorra? Siapa? All in all in Andorra. Nif?
Eh?
Yeah. Who celebrates San Jordi's Day in Andorra? Of course, people in Andorra ya. And next, when
Yes.
people eat escudella in Andorra?
In winter.
Ya,
In winter.
winter. Okay, good. Next, why is Gran Falira famous? Because Gran Falira.
Because itu because
Oh, sorry, I got typo. Because one of, you can read
or
first. Yeah, this. One of Europe's largest ski resort. Orang datang. Kenapa Gran Valira terkenal? Karena because Gran Valira is one of Europe's large ski resort. Karena Gran Valira salah satu tempat wisata ski terbesar di
Eropa.
Okay, the last question. How do people celebrate Carnival in Andorra? Nih, there is in paragraph 1. The country celebrates Carnival with
Dengan with colorful parades.
San Jordi Days ya. So, people celebrate Carnival with colorful parades and please.
And
Raja Sanjo this day. Dan what is the official language of Andorra? What is the official language of Andorra? The official language of
the
Andorra
official language in Andorra is Catalan.
When do people eat escudella in Andorra?
In winter. Winter.
Winter, di musim dingin ya. Why is Grand Valira famous?
Because
Grand Valira ya, because Grand Valira is one
of Europe's largest ski resort.
Okay, the last one. How do people celebrate Carnival in Andorra?
People celebrate the carnival with Clover Paradise and Sandorti Day.
Okay, yeah. Next. Next is problem and solution in Andorra. Before this, as usual, Munif can read the vocabulary first, but now it's by yourself, the English and the meaning. Let's go. Next.
Overtourism.
Ya,
Overtourism. Pariwisata berlebihan. Trafik lalu lintas. Overcrowding. Kepadatan berlebihan. Environmental damage, kerusakan lingkungan.
environmental damage, oke, kerusakan lingkungan ya.
Import.
Oke, next.
Good, barang. Housing, perumahan. Daily expensive, pengeluaran harian. Job opportunities, peluang kerja. Tourism, pariwisata.
Let's move on to accept now.
Expensive, mahal. UC, sibuk. Limited, terbatas. Sustainable, berkelanjutan. Diverse, beragam.
Okay. Now is verb.
Cause, menyebabkan. Find, menemukan. Support, mendukung. Invest, berinvestasi. Protect, melindungi.
Okay. All done. Next, it's time to read Andorra, problems and solution in Andorra. Okay. Masalah, solusi di Andorra.
Masalah dan solusi di Andorra.
Andorra has some problems. And the meaning?
Andorra memiliki sebuah masalah.
Ya, memiliki beberapa masalah. Overtourism is a major problem.
Pariwisata berlebihan adalah
yang utama.
Masalah yang pertama itu.
Especially in winter. Terlebih saat musim dingin. Andorra memiliki beberapa problem. Wisata berlebihan merupakan salah satu masalah utama, terutama saat musim dingin. Too many visitors cause traffic overcrowding and environmental damage. Banyak pengunjung menyebabkan lalu lintas kemacetan ya, menyebabkan kemacetan, overcrowding, kepadatan berlebihan, dan environmental damage, kerusakan lingkungan. Another problem is the high cost of living because Andorra imports most goods. Masalah lainnya adalah tingginya harga tinggal karena impor barang. Many people find housing and daily expenses expensive. And the effect, banyak orang menemukan perumahan dan biaya sehari-hari yang mahal. There are also few jobs opportunities outside tourism and banking. Dan sedikit juga peluang pekerjaan di luar pariwisata dan perbankan. This make it hard for young people to find different careers. Membuat para anak muda kesulitan menemukan pekerjaan lain. The government is working on solution. Pemerintah sedang mencari solusi. To reduce over tourism. Untuk mengatasi pariwisata berlebihan, they promote sustainable tourism. Mereka mempromosi pariwisata yang berkelanjutan and limit visitor in busy area, dan membatasi pengunjung di daerah yang sibuk. To help with high cost, untuk membantu biaya yang tinggi, they support local business and farming. Mereka mendukung bisnis lokal dan farming. Do you know what farming is?
Bertani.
Bertani. Berternak.
Berternak.
Ya, berternak. To produce more goods. Untuk memproduksi banyak barang atau banyak goods tuh? Barang dan sumber daya. They also invest in education and technology. Mereka juga investasi di education. Education apa? Do you know about education?
Edukasi.
Pendidikan. Mereka juga investasi di pendidikan dan teknologi to create more jobs, untuk membuat pekerjaan baru, pekerjaan yang lebih banyak. This solution help Andorra grow while protecting its culture and environment. Semua solusi itu membantu Andorra untuk tumbuh. Sambil sembari melindungi budaya dan lingkungan mereka. Jadi, Andorra memiliki beberapa problem. Apa aja?
Overtourism, traffic overcrowding, and environmental damage. Daily expensive.
Andorra had some problem. There are over tourism yang menyebabkan kemacetan lalu lintas, kepadatan yang berlebihan, dan kerusakan lingkungan. And then ada high cost of living. Apa itu? Biaya tinggal yang tinggi, yang mahal, betul, karena impor barang yang kurang ya. Terus many people find housing and daily expensive. Banyak orang menemukan perumahan dan biaya sehari-hari yang mahal. Dan kurangnya pekerjaan. Kurangnya peluang pekerjaan karena rata-rata di Andorra mereka earn money-nya by working in tourism, banking, and small business. Ya kan tadi yang orang-orang di Andorra biasanya menghasilkan uang dari bekerja di bidang pariwisata,
turis, perbankan, dan bisnis kecil.
Ya, cuma dari 3 itu doang, karena itu banyak banyak anak muda yang sulit mencari pekerjaan selain dari 3 itu. So, untuk solusinya, pemerintah untuk yang mengatasi overtourism, mereka membatasi pengunjung di area-area yang padat. Jadi nggak semua orang bisa datang ke Andorra, cuma beberapa orang yang sudah diizinkan. Terus untuk biaya yang tinggi, biasanya pemerintah itu mensupport itu apa ya? Mendukung bisnis lokal, bisnis lokal dan bertani ya untuk memproduksi lebih banyak sumber daya untuk diimpor. Okay. Did you get it? Do you have any question?
No.
No? Remember ya, problem in solution in Andorra. Now it's time to fill the conversation. What is one major problem in Andorra?
Overtourism.
Overtourism. Atau tourism Indonesia?
Terlalu banyak turis.
Ya, pariwisata yang berlebihan, banyaknya turis yang mengunjungi tempat di Andorra. Where does overtourism cause problem? Di mana overtourism itu terjadi? Ayo.
Di mana-mana.
Di negara mana?
Andorra.
Ya?
Iya.
Iya?
Iya.
Where does overtourism cause problem? Di mana overtourism itu terjadi? Di negara mana?
Di Andorra.
Ya, good. In Andorra. Who is working on solution in Andorra?
Government.
The government. Okay. Do you know what the meaning of the government?
Pemerintah.
Okay. When is overtourism a major problem in Andorra? Kapan terjadinya?
Kapan? Winter.
Yeah, in winter. Good. Why? Why is the cost of living high in Andorra? Kenapa?
Because Andorran people earn money by tourism, and banking, and small business.
Yeah, because people in Andorra Hermione ya. Hermione.
Ya.
By
Apa ya?
by working in tourism, banking, and small business.
Mau bisnis itu.
Okay, the last question. How does the government reduce over tourism? Bagaimana cara pemerintah untuk mengatasi pariwisata yang berlebihan? Ada di paragraf nomor 4. The government is working on solution to reduce over tourism.
They promote sustainable tourism.
They promote sustainable tourism and limit
And limit
visitors in busy areas.
India.
Oke, berarti cara pemerintah untuk mengatasi overtourism itu adalah mempromosikan pariwisata yang berkelanjutan dan membatasi pengunjung di daerah yang sibuk. Okay. Did you get it for this sentence? For this? Okay. We can next ya. Do you have any question?
Yes. No.
Okay, next. Unif can draw a line according to description. Tadi kan overtourism, the meaning of overtourism is pariwisata yang berlebihan. So, overtourism, the description is good.
Culture. Culture. Budaya.
Yeah.
Budaya itu apa? Where people live in. Nope. Ini. Culture. Festival, special event. Church.
Church is gereja.
Oh, Christian play.
Yeah.
Housing. Ini. Traffic. Ini.
Okay. Good. So, overtourism is when
Pariwisata yang berlebihan.
overtourism is when too many tourists visit a place. It can cause traffic pollution and overcrowding. Next is culture. The description is
The way people live, including their language, food, and tradition. Every country has a unique culture.
okay, festival.
Festival, special event, celebration, music, and food. People gather to enjoy and honor tradition.
Church. Church. How about the church? Place where Christians
Christians pray and worship.
Some churches are very old and have beautiful
Very old and have beautiful designs.
housing. The place where people live,
Where people live,
like houses and apartments.
like house and apartment in some countries, something can be very expensive. Nyewa rumah.
Ya, housing tuh perumahan. Traffic. When too many vehicles are on the road, it can cause delays and make travel slow. Okay. Do you have any question, Munir? Because this is
No,
class of the material. So,
no.
do you still remember ya? Tadi the capital city of Andorra is Andorra.
La Vela.
Andorra La Vella. Oke. Terus, when does visitors come in Andorra?
Winter.
Ya, in winter. And want to skiing ya.
Yes, ski.
And people in Andorra earn money by
By
work
working in tourist, banking, and small business.
business. Okay. The official language of Andorra is Catalan. In the
Tapi ya kata
Catalan. Okay ya, you must remember. And the landmark of Catalan there are four. There are San John San John Castles, and then many more ya. It's so hard to pronounce, susah untuk disebutkan. And the major problem in Andorra is
over tourist.
okay, got it ya. All done ya for the material today. Okay,
Yes.
for next next meeting we will going to learn about Kingdom of Bahrain. Okay. Anyway, this is a map of Bahrain. Andorra is between France and Spain ya.
Oh, small. It's a small country.
Iya, it's small country.
Wow, kayaknya terjepit tuh.
Iya, terjepit. Kayaknya Pulau Jawa
Terjepit
sama
antara dua.
Pulau Jawa dan Jawa Island and Andorra is smaller Andorra than Java Island.
Wow.
Because
Di gunung.
iya di gunung.
Pyrenees.
Yeah, the highest capital in Europe and the one of smallest country in Europe. Okay. Thank you, Munif, for joining my class today. Before we end the meeting today, can we say Alhamdulillah together?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Ya Rabbil.
Alamin.
Okay. Thank you, Munif, for joining my class. See you on next week. And we will learn about Kingdom of Bahrain. Okay, I hope we meet in good condition ya. Thank you, Munif. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.